So anyway, just a little history. We have Shane Greer out of Benton, Kentucky. Super Chevy. Thing he did down there, he came forward. They have to start with a tight chain. They can't jerk the sled to start. They got to ease it forward, get the chain tight. And Jamie is actually, you see two flags and a green light. The flag that matters is that one right there at 100 feet. In the Hemi Hauler Dodge. Feet on track number 2. I was telling you, this is one of them. We have 2, I guess, this evening. Now, you remember what I told you about that? He's got one more try, right? He can do that one time only. Didn't like his start. Obviously, he let out the gas before he got to the cone. The sled will drag him back to the starting line. We'll reset the laser. And I'm sure Jamie went up there and told him, you want to restart? You got one more shot, buddy. Strictly business. I was telling you, if you listen to the idle, you don't hear any variation, just the popping along there. That's a naturally aspirated. That engine there is fuel injected. You see there's no blower. He's got his intake mounted high enough. You can see right there, just a straight intake, fuel injected engine. 6,200 pounds, 650 probably cubic inches, somewhere in that area. Right there, this truck will turn it on. Out of Guthrie, Kentucky, another small town up there in Todd County where I'm from. This here is Kevin Essery, 6,000 pound super stock tractor. Kevin's got a dead cylinder on this tractor. They've been chasing it all weekend. Now remember, ladies and gentlemen, Kevin is our test puller. I told you he was having a little bit of trouble, but he still run out to the track and tipped him over. Joe Womble from Trenton, Tennessee, and the Wampus Cat International.
That Wampus Cat needs to stay on the track.
Watch the smoke. He's bringing the RPMs up, getting the turbos working.
Blowing smoke.
No? Me neither. I want a roll cage and a 5-point harness and the whole works. Ronald Humphreys from Dixon pulled at 244 feet. Here comes Fred Roach from Enville. Little Blue. Pouring out of there, ladies and gentlemen, nothing to be alarmed about.